Hey, what's up? This is your friend Jared here. Once again, I want to remind you the reason why I don't sound the same is I was in a coma and I had to learn how to speak again, so I don't sound quite the same. But my mind is the same, so. Anyway, first thing we're going to do to show you how to use this little tool that I wrote is we're going to clone the repository and then we're going to enter the directory into the subdirectory and then create a new directory called build. Enter the build directory and configure the project with CMake. And then we're going to make the project and then install it. And let's get out of this directory now. And let's go to this code to text directory. And this cat license and pipe it to bin2cpp20. As you can see, it turned it into a vector of hexadecimal bytes. And but what if we wanted to do something where we want to be able to store it in a file? We can say bin2cpp20-i license -v var1-o test, and then we'll have test.hpp. We can go to test and see it's an array, and you can also convert it to strings using -s switch, which makes it a little different, makes it an array of strings that you can embed into your program with this header file and use for whatever. I use this program for making a artistic video where it scrolled the hexadecimal bytes and texture mapped video to it for something just for fun. But there's a whole bunch of command line switches for this program. You can find them by saying dash or the CPU between this H. And here's all the switches, and there's a readme file with all the information. But that's the basics of the program. Hopefully you can understand me. Okay,